Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Feel the peace of nature around you. Millions of people use sounds of nature to calm down, meditate, and sleep. But in the real world, nature is anything but comforting. It's growing unpredictable, increasingly threatened. Unquiet, a magazine that inspires conscious travel, decided to turn tranquility into urgency. Introducing Uncomfortable Nature Sounds. Real sounds of nature, but for the first time, as it truly is, screaming for help. Using a new artificial intelligence, we extracted audio from news reports.
O tamanho dos incêndios neste ano surpreende pantaneiros e pesquisadores.
And recreated the sounds from the latest natural disasters.
Welcome to the sounds of nature with Unquiet. You are in the Brazilian Pantanal, with a comfortable fire crackling in front of you. Year after year, climate change transforms the world, just like it did in 2024 with the wildfires in the Brazilian Pantanal.
The tracks were released across all major audio and video platforms. Thousands of people listened, shared, and reported. Politicians and decision-makers took notice. The experience turned what was intangible into something impossible to ignore. The impact of climate change. Uncomfortable Nature Sounds by Unquiet Magazine.